got these. Great. What else? These look good. I gotta focus. I think these are normally a little less, but it's not a horrible deal. Okay, maybe just this. So I gotta carry some stuff. Ooh, I wonder how much. I don't really like these kind of things though. This is a quite good deal too. Two for $5. This is interesting. Bananas. I wonder if they have a section for animals. I was just looking for something that's not too heavy as a snack. These are fantastic. I do like these. Okay. Those. Oh, this is interesting. What is this? I guess you add this with salads, but it's not very... I don't like the cost of that. Cereal, okay deal. So we're here at Grocery Outlet. We got oats. Tamarind. I don't know. I don't think I would really like it, to be honest. Just the flavor isn't for me. Did I try it? Maybe another time. Oh, these are good. There's a snack. I'm not meant to be getting that much because I have to carry all this. What is this? Dark chocolate chip. Wow. Never seen this. It's dark chocolate. They're like garbanzo beans. Really curious to try that, but I know I can't carry much. But I'll do it anyway, I guess. I was gonna get some things from Costco, but I guess that's no longer a thing until about a week from now, which isn't too bad. They got dried fruit, kind of expensive. Let's see if there's anything sort of a good deal. And the dried mango isn't too bad, but I think it costs less than at Costco and you get a whole lot more. Just gonna get what else? Let's see, what is this? This isn't a horrible deal. Come on. $0.99. Let's see. Oils. I was thinking about coconut oil. It's crazy how much that has increased. You used to get it really affordable at discount stores. So I needed the chocolate. They got some different wafers, I guess.